Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday, February 20th, 2021. Today we're going to talk about, the unemployment. Last year, 2020, was a, pretty, difficult time going through this pandemic. Many people lost, their jobs, and a lot of businesses closed down. And so many people had to rely on, unemployment. However, many people are not really prepared for the federal, tax hit that's going to take many people who file for unemployment insurance, by surprise. The IRS has warned many people that unemployment benefits are taxable at the federal level, but some people could still get hit with an unexpected tax bill when they file their Form 1040 this year. State unemployment agencies, including the California Employment Development Department, gives people the option of having 10% of their base unemployment payment withheld for federal taxes, but most people don't. And even if they do, it might not be enough to cover, what they might actually owe if they have other income. California does not tax unemployment benefits, although some states do. One problem this year is that even when people opt for withholding EDD withholdings, nothing from the extra $600 per week that everyone on unemployment got from April through July, nor from the extra $300 added to the benefits for 6 more weeks. Those extra federal benefits alone amounted to as much as $12,000. Some people, getting the maximum benefit of $450 per week in California for 9 months, plus the additional $12,000 in benefits, could have received almost $30,000. Can you imagine that? $30,000. That's a lot. But given that, taking that into account, the IRS expects people to pay, tax on their income through the year as it is earned through withholdings or making estimated tax payments each quarter or both. Now, realistically, we just did a show yesterday about, doing the, W-4 withholdings and, how it's so ambiguous and difficult. I highly doubt people were going to have, estimated tax payments taken out of their, EDD. We're pretty much, making it from paycheck to paycheck and just over being broke here. And so, that's almost like, a lunacy or a fallacy here, for that to happen. But the IRS expects people to pay their taxes on their income throughout the year as it is earned through withholdings or by making estimated, tax payments each quarter or both. Those who don't pay enough of their total tax liability could face an underpayment penalty if the shortfall is large enough. The EDD does not track how many people request withholdings, but attorneys who work with the unemployed says few do. The good news is, if they may not need withholdings, in their income, if their income is low enough, basically the standard deduction, this year is $12,400 for singles and $24,800 for married couples filing jointly. So, you would need to earn at least that much, from a job, unemployment, and other sources combined before you owe taxes. And you can earn even more depending on what other deductions and credits you get. Federal tax rate starts at 10% of taxable income up to about $9,875 for a single person or $19,750 for 2 individuals or joint filers. That means a single person is not going to pay much tax on their first $22,000 in income. Parents, for example, get a credit of up to $2,000 for each child younger than 17. After calculating your tax, a credit reduces what you owe dollar for dollar. So it's a non-refundable credit or refundable credit. It reduces your tax bill below zero. Some of it could be refunded to you. This is known as a refundable credit. Taxpayers can get a credit of up to $500 for each older dependent, although this credit is not refundable. Low-income taxpayers may qualify for the earned income tax credit if they have, some work during the year, especially if they have children. This credit is also refundable. Generous unemployment benefits could make it harder for some people to get earned income credit this year. But there is hope and there is help. Our office, and our company, MKG Tax Consultants, is offering free, tax preparations for people who are unemployed all year in 2020. You can visit us online at mkgtaxconsultants.com. You can also chat with us on WhatsApp. The phone number is 559-309-3260. We look forward to, answering any of those tax questions, helping you navigate, through some of these challenges, especially dealing with the, federal, tax hit that we know that most people are really going to be, not, prepared to deal with. But, the beauty of it is, once you, you file your taxes and you have to see, what it is that you're going to be dealing with, or, how you're going to deal with it, then you can go from there. But, and if not, and if you have a tax preparer or, whoever, you deal with, and, they're still maybe not able to assist you, with that, by all means, we're here to help. You can send us a message, chat with us online. We're here available for you, for the general public, helping those that need help, getting across the finish line, but you still have until April 15th to file your taxes, if you choose to. But however, once again, be prepared for the federal tax hit, that's going to take many people who file for unemployment by surprise. It doesn't surprise me on, why many people would, try to, do it online, do it themselves. We call it a DIY, but, it will catch up, to you, and, kind of, you want to go ahead and get that squared away, get that taken care of. A lot of people, had, money taken out of their retirement plans. There is also, it passed, the Consolidated Appropriation Act, where, some of that income can be excluded. But we also are offering free double checks. So if you filed your tax return, all is not lost. We're able to, do a free double check, a free double look, and kind of, take a look and see what you've already filed, and if we're able to, either reduce your taxes or maybe even to find, some, hidden deductions that will give you additional refund, then that is not going to cost you anything for a free look or a free double check. If, you were one of those individuals that, got, unemployment, over, that threshold limit, so once again, let's go back and recap. If you got unemployment benefits last year and it was over, $22,000, then you might want to give us a call, for us to be able to see, how we can assist you with, making sure, no stone is unturned, and you kind of gotten everything, all of your credits, all of your deductions, and going forward, we definitely will encourage you to take a look at the W-4. That is going to be a mystery in itself, but I'm going to go ahead and keep this brief and short. My name is Marshawn. I'm from MKG Tax Consultants. If you're looking for assistance, visit us on the website, visit us online, give us a call, 559-412-7248. We look forward to answering any of those calls. If you like, our shows, then give us a thumbs up. We encourage, to keep, this tax station going, this news media here that we're offering, this education to the community, especially, during Black History Month. We know it's the African-American community that has been impacted the hardest, by, this coronavirus, this pandemic, and is also, financially impacted as well. So give us a thumbs up, to continue to keep, this broadcast going and keeping people informed, educating, and empowering.